Lights 132, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, look at this hair. Look at that. What do you call it? Fluffy twist, spring twist, bomb twist. Look at this, very light. You wanted to see how I achieve this style? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, by the time I upload this video, and I do apologize, it would have been 4 weeks since I've had this in my hair from my intro that I did. The reason why, when I previously did a tutorial on it, my camera was not recording and I did not know until the end. Therefore, I had to do it all over again, and I haven't had any time to do it until now. So now it's 4 weeks later from when I did this style. Again, the passion bomb twist, whatever you may want to call it, passion twist that I have in my hair. Again, what I was supposed to do last time, I'm going over the specs of the hair and where I got it, where I ordered it from and everything. I got all of this hair from Amazon. Okay, so let's get started. I'm not going to do a long drawn out about it. We're going to get started. Okay, so this one is, I'm going to be looking at my computer just to give you, so I can give you exactly what it is. Okay, so each of these came in a bag like this. Well, 2 of them did, another one came in a clear bag. They came in little packages like this. This is the number 30, and I got 3 bundles for $18.88. This is the Gabrielle Synthetic Hair Crochet 3-pack Spring Twist Crochet Braiding Hair. Bomb, 8 inches. That's what this is. Well, Ombre. This is the Ombre right here. And each pack came with its own crochet needle. So I have 3 crochet needles. The second one I got was the Gabrielle, the same company, was the number 27. That's this kind right here. Again, it came in 3 bundles. Again, I got that for $16.88. The third one was the TV30. That's this one right here. And this came in this bag. And I ordered this from, what is his name? Ying Fan. The Spring Twist Crochet Braids Real Kanekalon Hair 6 packs in Bomb Twist Crochet Braids. And this is in the color 1B30, and they say 6, but it's really 3 because it's 2 in each of these packs, which it comes out to be 1 bundle like the other ones. So this is that one. Again, that one came with a crochet needle as well, and I got this for $19.99. Now, I still have 2 packs of the, I'll show you guys the number 20, number 27. It's this color right here, 3 packs. So I still have 2 full packs of each left, and a combination of all 3 in these 2 packs right here. I will leave everything about the hair down in the description box with the link to where I purchased it from and how much it actually costs. So, like I said, this is not going to be a real long, drawn out hair tutorial because you've seen one video on how to do a twist, whether it's a crochet, whether it's individual, you've seen them all. So, this is how the hair looks when it comes out of the pack. Right here. And I'm not going to do too much to this because I'm about to really take this out. I'm sorry, but I don't know. I think I can't. I like to change my hairstyles up so much. So I already have some pieces out that I've already, and I'm going to crochet this in if I can find it. I have a plait right here. So I plaited it down, braided it down however you might want it big. My ends are a little ragged because I was about to take the whole thing out. And I was like, why am I taking the whole thing out when I'm just going to take this hair out right after I finish this tutorial. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to split it in half. And I make sure that I open it up. That makes it easier for when I split the hair, whether into two, whether into three. Some of my hairstyle I have in twos, some of them I have in threes. Okay, so I just split it. And I'm just going to clip the end just a tad because this is one that's in the front of my hair. So I'm just going to split that and fray the ends. Again, you see one crochet video, you've seen them all. I'm going to twist this right here. This makes it easier for when I crochet it through. Find my underneath my plait. Go under. Hold that there. Now I'm going to take my crochet hair. Put it on the loop. Close it. Pull one side through. Now, with this hair, I'm going to use my, I hope you can see it. My hair, I'm going to take my hair as the third leg. And I'm going to just start braiding it down. However you feel, how much you want to braid it down that it's secure. I want to go like 5 or 6 times. And then I start to twist. And I'm just going to twist. As I'm twisting, I'm turning and twisting my hair to make sure that it's secure in there, in the actual twist. And I'm going to keep twisting. Now as you keep twisting, the hairs get longer and longer. So I'm going to just twist it down. Like I said, this is not going to be an actual full tutorial, because there are so many videos out there on how to. And as I get closer down, I'm going to borrow some from this side and keep twisting. Now I did use, to actually hold it in, I used some mousse. I've used some moisturizer, which is like a shea butter, to actually keep the frizz down. Cut some of that off. And that's about it. How I maintain it, I moisturize my scalp almost daily because my hair gets really dry, like really dry. Like it just eats up and soaks up, you know, oils, you know, when I put them in my hair. So I have to be extra with the oil and the moisturizer. So I'm gonna keep twisting all the way to the end. And when I get to the end, I'm going to palm roll it and then palm roll the whole piece. And that's one. I'm going to show it to you guys one more time. And I actually have one here that I forgot when I was actually doing my hair. So I'm going to show you on this piece right here. It's already braided. Let's go and let's do another color instead of the one I just did. I'm sorry that this is feel like it's really rushed, but I'm kind of upset that I didn't upload that video and I couldn't, well, first off, I didn't record it when I thought I was recording it and I didn't, so sorry. This one is the Ombre, the TB30. Again, I'm gonna wrap my hands through it so it'll be easier for me to pull it apart. Now you can leave this hair as long as you want. I seen like on the newer video, well, not really newer videos, people do them now, the passion twist. They also use the free tress, I don't know if it's called the beach wave or the body wave, beach wave hair. And you get the longer of the passion twist with those. Again, this is what the hair look like. And I'm gonna just clip a little bit on the end, just a little. Twist it. And this hair still looks good to be 4 weeks, but like I said, I like to switch my hair up a lot, you know, and Valentine's is coming up too, so I kind of wanted a fresh do, you know, for Valentine's Day. I kind of just want a fresh do anyway, because I'm about over these already. Even though I love them, if it was, you know, back in the day where I wore back box braids or, you know, things for so long, I will continue to have these in and just like redo my edges. Okay, so again, like I said, I'm gonna braid this, and I hope you guys can see it. I'm gonna braid it down a little. Just a little. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, braid it down 5 times. And then I'm going to twist my hair around and then start to twist. And as I'm twisting, I'm still twisting my hair around just so it'll stay. Again, sorry that this is a little rushed, but I'm kind of pressed for time today. I want to get this done, taken out, and done by a certain time. I have some things to do, so this is like my 3rd video that I'm actually recording today, which is just shocking. And the first time I've ever done 3 videos in one day. Now let's see how long it takes me to actually upload them. That is the question. So all the way down to the end, keep twisting, and then I find if you use your moisturizer at the end of your tips, it curls them up even more. Now let's take all of this out. Like I said, you will find, you know, throughout this hair, there's you get like these little scraggly things, but you can just cut them off. Like I said, I had this in for 4 weeks, you guys. 4 weeks. Let me just take my glasses off. 4 weeks, and this is what it's still looking like. Somebody that, you know, would normally wear styles for forever and got daggone day, they would keep these in because they're still good. All I need to do is really, I might need to think about this now. Do I really want to take these out? I really need to think about it because I don't know. I don't know. It's a lot of work to take them out, and then I still have hair if I want to do them again, but I don't know. I don't know if I'm over this style or what. You know, I've had them in for 3 weeks. I know that's not seem long, but yeah, 3 weeks. I don't know. I'm going to ponder over it. I'm going to think about it. I'm going to pray about it. I don't know. But you guys, let me know what you think. If you like this hairstyle, if I keep them in and you want to see how I style it on a daily basis when I go to work, or different styles I like to put this in, feel free to leave the comments down in the description box. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more of my hair tutorials, like I said, I think I have like 4 videos that I need to post already. Like I said, last year I don't want to say kind of lazy, but it was a lot that was going on in my life. Even though I did the videos, I did the tutorials, I never got time to edit and post them. I am in a different space right now, so I think that I'm going to actually try to do it before I actually start school in March. And I know when school starts in March, it's going to be super hectic, so when I change my hairstyles up, it will probably be like 1 video every few weeks. And again, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button. Until next time, you guys, Lights 132.